Question number 16. If 2x plus 1 is a factor of 6x raised to power 3 plus 5x square plus ax minus 2, find the value of a. Given fx is equal to 6x raised to power 3 plus 5x raised to power 2 plus ax minus 2 and 2x plus 1. Let 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. And we are substituting the value of x in fx. We get f of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 into minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 plus 5 into minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 plus a into minus 1 upon 2 minus 2, that is equal to 6 upon 2 2 jar 4 2 jar 8 and minus multiply by 3 times, that will be negative, and plus 5 1 square, that will be positive 1, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, and 2 2 jar 4, 5 upon 4, minus into plus, that is minus a upon 2 minus 2, f of minus 1 upon 2. So by factor theorem, remainder is equal to 0. F of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. This is cancel. Minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 minus a upon 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We put f of minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. F of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. LCM, that is equal to 4. And this will be minus 3. This will be plus 5. And 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2a. And 4 2 jar minus 8 is equal to 0. 4 is directly multiplied by 0. This will be 0. And minus 2a, to find the value of a, put f of minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. Minus 8 minus 3, that is minus 11, plus 5. Minus 11 plus 5, that is equal to minus 6, equal to 0, which implies minus 2a minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2a is equal to minus 6 will be positive 6, and a is equal to minus 6 upon 2, that is equal to minus 3. We get the value of a equal to minus 3. Answer. Given fx is equal to 6x cube plus 5x square plus ax minus 2 and 2x plus 1 is a factor of given fx. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. We are putting the value of x equal to minus 1 upon 2 in fx. We get f of minus 1 upon 2 is 6 into minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 and plus 5 into minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 plus a into minus 1 upon 2 minus 2. F of minus 1 upon 2 is 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8, that is minus 3 upon 4. Put f of minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0, remainder equal to 0 to find the value of a. Put f of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. LCM is 4. This will be minus 3 plus 5 minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. 4 multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0. And minus 2a minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11 plus 5, that is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, but negative 6 and is equal to 0. 2 minus 2a is equal to 6 and a is equal to minus 6 divided by 2, that is 3 2s are 6. We get the value of a is equal to minus 3 answer. Question number 17. If 3x minus 2 is a factor of 3x raised to power 3 minus kx square plus 21x minus 10, find the value of k. Given fx is equal to 3x raised to power 3 minus kx raised to power 2 plus 21x minus 10, and 3x minus 2 is a factor of fx. Let 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 3x is equal to positive 2 and x is equal to 2 upon 3. Substituting the value of x in fx, we get f of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 2 upon 3 raised to power 3 minus k into 2 upon 3 raised to power 2 plus 21 into 2 upon 3 minus 10. So by factor theorem, put f of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0 to find the value of k. F of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 upon 27, 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, minus 2 2s are 4 upon 3 3s are 9k plus 7 2s are 14 minus 10. F of 2 upon 3 is equal to, this is cancel 9 and 8 upon 9 minus 4k upon 9 plus 14 minus 10, that is equal to 4. So f of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. LCM is 9. 8 minus 4k plus 36 is equal to 0. 9 multiplied by 0 minus 4k plus 44 is equal to 0. 9 multiplied by 0, that will be 0. 9 minus 4k plus 36 plus 8 is 44 is equal to 0, which implies minus 4k is equal to minus 44. Minus minus is cancel and we get the value of k is equal to 44 upon 4, that is 11. So we get the value of k is equal to positive 11. Answer. Fx is equal to 3x cube minus kx square plus 21x minus 10. Let 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 upon 3. We are putting the value of x equal to 2 upon 3 in fx. That is f of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 2 upon 3 raised to power 3 minus k into 2 upon 3 raised to power 2 plus 21 into 2 upon 3 minus 10. This is cancelled by 3 7s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. F of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 3 1s are 3 and 9 3s are 27. 4k upon 9 plus 14 minus 10, that is 4. LCM is equal to 9. So 8 minus 4k plus 9 4s are 36 upon 9. LCM 9 equal to 0. 9 multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0. So 36 plus 8 is equal to 44 minus 4k. Minus 4k plus 44 is equal to 0. And minus 4k equal to minus 44, negative sign is cancelled. And we get the value of k is equal to 44 upon 4, that is equal to 11. Answer. Thank you so much.